So, you want to make money online but have no idea where to begin? Well, the first thing you need to do is head over straight to. Hi, my name is Kyle Heaney and I create videos and strategies of how you can make money online. If you subscribe to my channel, I send you a notification every single time I create a new video so you don't miss out on any opportunities. So, today what we are talking about is the top 5 websites in order for you to make some money. Coming in at number 5 are affiliate websites like Amazon and ClickBank. Want to make money selling other people's products? How does this work, you may ask? Well, we call it affiliate marketing. There are companies like Amazon and ClickBank that you can sign up for and promote their products for them. When someone buys the products through you, you make a commission between 30 and 60%. So as we know, Amazon has thousands of products and you can promote any of them. So what you would do is create a review channel on TikTok, on YouTube. You would make the review and put a link underneath the video and tell people to go down to buy them. I'll show you one of these kinds of channels now. So this is Natalie Bell. And what she does is she makes product reviews. And while she's promoting these products, she has her links underneath her videos where if someone clicks on them and buys something, you get a commission. So as you can see here, she has hundreds of videos promoting different kinds of products. This is one of her products with Amazon. Best Amazon Finds 2020. So what she did is she went and found her 20 favorite products on Amazon and then she made a review about them. Underneath the video, as we can see here, she's got all of her affiliate links. 1 gallon bottle of water, half gallon, watch band, blue light glasses. Now, if someone clicks on one of these links and then buys the products, you get a commission. And as well, a bonus with YouTube is once you have 4,000 watch hours and 100 subscribers on your channel, they start to pay you. So as we can see here, Natalie is making her money with the affiliate links, but as well, YouTube is paying her. As you can see here, it's not a lot on this channel, but some of the channels have a lot higher. We have between $27 and $429 pounds per month, and over here, an estimated yearly earning of £5,000. There's not a lot of money on this channel, but it could potentially be a lot higher. She's getting here over 165k views in the last 30 days. But most of her money is coming from the affiliate links and not from YouTube. But hey, the extra money helps. And then coming in at number 4, we have Google AdSense. So what you do is you're going to sign up for Google AdSense. You'll need this for your YouTube channel in order to get money when you monetize in YouTube, but also we can use this in another way. So what you would do is now you can choose a niche or something that you want to get into. So let's say finance or health or gym, and you want to start writing about it. You're going to create a blog. You can go on somewhere like FreeSpot and you can put up your blog. And then what you're going to do is you're going to talk about whatever products you want to review. So let's say it's Amazon products, laptops. You're going to create one like this channel. They have here the Apple MacBook Air, Apple MacBook Pro, and they give reviews on each of the different MacBooks. And somebody clicks the link that they leave inside of their blog post, and then they go over to Amazon. They're going to buy it, and then you make a commission. Little secret that I can tell you. So because when you're making your YouTube video, you're obviously going to need a script to know what you're going to say. So what you can do is just copy and paste it into your blog and then put your affiliate links, and then it's a lot easier. It's a lot better way to manage your time. And then once you get a few following on your blog posts, you can add Google AdSense to your blog where people can pay to put ads onto your blog. It's an extra way of making money. So coming in at number 3, Amazon Kindle Publishing. So if you don't know what a Kindle is, it's like an iPad, but you load all your books on there and you can do reading on the go without having to carry around 20 or 30 books in your bag. So a lot of people use this when they're going to work on the train, maybe they're on the bus, or maybe they're reading at home, but don't have space to keep all their books. So you could be one of those people that they buy ebooks from. So maybe you like reading, maybe you like writing. Like me, I do. And I'm actually creating my own ebook at this moment. So you could too. Write it out. Maybe you write your life stories. Maybe you know some health tips, or maybe you know something about finance to use your knowledge to create your own ebook. But hey, if you don't like writing and you don't like typing, you could use speech to text and you just talk about what you want and it'll go down onto paper and you can upload it. But let's say you really don't like writing. On the next website, I will show you how you can actually get someone to do it for you and still make a profit. But let's go a little bit deeper into Amazon Kindle. As you can see here, there are many great authors that use it. Guy Kawasaki, best-selling author. James Altucher, author I Was Blind But Now I See. Jack Cotton, author of Selling Luxury Homes. There's a lot of big people out there that are using Amazon Kindle, and you could get in on it too. Hey, look, the books don't sell for much. These are quite low price books over here, 99 cents, $1.49, it's $15, but you can get the higher price books. But imagine you sell, look here, £2.49, they've sold 2,000 books. That's around £3,000 in your pocket for very minimal work. So remember that website I was telling you about, that where you can get someone to write the books for you if you don't feel like writing them yourself, is actually my number 2 website for making money. It's called Upwork. So what is Upwork? On Upwork, people have skills. They post themselves, they post ads on here, and people who need their skills pay to use them. As you can see here, we have web development, mobile development, design, writing, admin support. There are thousands of different things on here. I'm sure maybe you have a skill that you could even put on here yourself. You just don't know about it. So you could get getting paid for what you already know. But now we want to talk about, like I said before, with getting someone to write the Amazon book for you. You click on writing over here. It's going to bring you over to here where you can get started. Where there's thousands of different writers on here, and then you get paid them per hour. So let's say you'd say Karen G over here. He's $35 per hour to write books. So what he can do is he can write your book for you. It's an ebook. It does not need to be long. It can just be a short story. And then say he does 2 hours of work. That would be $70. Okay, that's your base cost, $70. After you put it onto Amazon Kindle for, let's say, $3, you sell 1,000 copies, and you've just spent $70, and you could have potentially made $2,970 in profit. But that's just if you're willing to pay. Maybe in the beginning you just want to start out to see if you can get things rolling. Start by creating your own book. I'm sure you have thousands of stories inside of your head. Every person does. Every person's been through something. Everybody's had a life journey that you could put into an ebook. So now we're going to talk about my number 1 way and my number 1 website for making money online. Remember we did the affiliate marketing in the beginning with Amazon. How would you like to scale that into an actual business that makes thousands of dollars every month? So here we are, my number 1 website for making money online. The link to this website will be directly below this video as my number 1 way of making money online. So just like you, when I started out, I went onto Google, I went onto YouTube, and I typed in, how am I going to make money online? And this process that I explained to you today is actually how I did it myself. I started out with Amazon, ClickBank, these small affiliate links, making commissions every now and then, but I wanted more. And it wasn't until I partnered with the right team and the right program that I could actually see myself scaling this into a business that made me money constantly. They gave me a step-by-step guide of how to create this business. They gave me everything I needed: email templates, websites, live training, whatever you could imagine, they gave it to me. And how it all started was with this, as you can see in the background, the 15-day challenge. This costs just $7 to enroll, and what it gives you is a breakdown into 15 days of different trainings. So day 1 is the number 1 secret to building a high-ticket affiliate marketing business. This one's around 50 minutes, and then you'll continue through the 15 days. Each day is about an hour video, but they really give you in-depth training on how to create your own affiliate marketing business. This was a real great help to me because in the beginning I was lost. I was watching half of this YouTube course and this, but no one actually gave a step-by-step course. So what you're going to do is you sign up for the 15 days, you get your 1 hour training each day. Yes, they do have other courses that you can enroll yourself in if you want to streamline the process of actually making the money. But with this 15-day course, you can create your own online affiliate marketing business. As you can see, they give you a lot of bonuses. This is just one of them. You get a one-on-one business plan call with a business advisor. This normally costs hundreds of dollars. They give it to you for free. This person is going to explain to you step by step everything that you need to know. If you have any questions, you can ask them, and they're 100% willing to help out. So If you are a person who's working a 9 to 5, or you're just unhappy with your job, imagine what it would feel like to create your own business and become your own boss. I've done it. I know a lot of people out there who have done it, and you can do it too. All you need to do is take action, take that first step, and click the link below this video, and it'll take you over to a small video by me. I explain my story a bit more, I explain this a bit more, and then it's going to take you over to possibly a life-changing product for you. It definitely changed my life forever. If you like this video, please hit a like. If you want to subscribe, I'll send you a notification every time I make a new video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments. Have an awesome day.